Martin, what do we have in the works today, man?
So today we have a Jeep Gladiator, and we're installing these parts. AM off-road sent these out. We're gonna test them out. So these, what they are, they're turn signals. So we're gonna be removing this. It's just a cover, and we're gonna place those there. So they're gonna be functional turn signals.
All right. Have you ever done this before?
Nope. This is the first time doing these, yeah.
All right, let's see how they go, man. So, when you're taking on a new job, what's the first things you like to do?
Yeah. Go over through the instructions.
Right away?
Instructions right away, read it through. And then once I read the instructions, I kind of like walk through like visually of like where all the connections that, they're supposed to be at, where I'm supposed to go through and whatnot, and just figure out, how to start, how to get started.
For people who don't know, what is that tool called? It looks like a crowbar.
It's a little like well, this one right here, it says upholstery clip remover. We usually call it just a trim tool. So
Nice.
a bumper clip. Oh.
There you go. And it's just to take out those parts?
Yeah, take out these plastic like tabs. Usually, there's a bunch of tabs like on your bumpers and stuff like this right here that you use that for.
So where are those wires going?
So I'm feeding him in through the fender, putting him out this side to the inside the engine bay. All right, so that install is done. We did it. Took us a little while, a little tedious stuff here and there. It was the first time doing it, but we got it done. And so if you guys need anything, we're located again here in Norwalk, California. Hit us up, RPM Auto Accessories. So let me know what was your first install that you did by yourself, and let me know how did it go in the comments.